Outside in the smoky haze, sitting like an apple, I'm prostrate to the wind and rain. Storm is coming back again. It's better that you left me here. I'm not worth the waiting. What a shame to chase a waterfall. What a shame to live at all. Tell me to embrace the knife. Press the leather hard into my palm, insisting you won't cry. That I'm not just the other guy. And what I give you, give it back. Break a mirror, make a shiver glass, and cut my fingers up. Then I'll learn to look, not touch. You fix up my power lines. I feel you like a light bulb in the dark that wasn't screwed in right. I'm so scared